This guide shows how to clean the nozzle on a LINX 9810 or 9830 printer. From the main screen, open the menu and select Maintenance. The maintenance page provides nozzle flush and nozzle clear. For this procedure, use nozzle clear. Before starting, remove the printhead cover and position the printhead safely over a suitable waste container. Check that the nozzle area is accessible, then select Nozzle Clear on the screen. Hold the container beneath the printhead to collect the cleaning fluid and any discharged ink. Keep the printhead steady and wait until the automatic cleaning cycle is complete. When cleaning is complete, check that the nozzle area is clean before returning the printer to operation.